Morning children, I am Reena teacher, and today we are going to do the fourth chapter in GK. Okay, in India, so we know that there are different awards that are given in India for the work, the fame that you have achieved, for your contribution in the country, and for that you are awarded. So we are going to see here in this chapter which are the different awards that are given to the people, to the citizens of our country, those who have contributed for the country. This is Padma Vibhushan Award. You can see the medal that is there. This is how the medal looks like of Padma Vibhushan Award, and it is the second highest national award that is given in exceptional in any service field that you are there. Maybe it is an art, maybe it is literature, science, maybe it is any public affairs. So any field, this award that is given to for the service that they have done in the particular field or the contribution that they have given. So that is Padma Vibhushan Award. So you can see that the words that are given to you is not in order. So you have to order it, and it is Padma Vibhushan Award. The next one is Padma Shri Award, and this is how it looks. On top it is written Padma, and the medal looks like this. And it is the fourth highest civilian award in India, which is after the Bharat Bhushan Award. After Bharat Bhushan Award, the fourth number is Padma Shri Award. Param Veer Chakra Award, and this medal, you can see the medal how it looks like. Okay, and this Paramveer Chakra, the word itself tells you about bravery, and it is the highest gallantry award that is given to the officers and other that are enlisted in the military branches of India. For what? For the work that they have done, for defeating the enemy, maybe that is on land, on sea, or in the air. So for that it is given this Paramveer Chakra award. Next award is Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and this award is for the contribution that you have given in Indian cinema. So the contribution to Indian cinema, the outstanding performance that they have given, outstanding contribution that they have given for in this entertainment world, the government is presenting this award, which is known as Dada Saheb Phalke Award. And recently, this Dada Saheb Phalke Award has been given to Amitabh Bachchan. This is Arjuna Award. Now, Arjuna Award, you know about Arjun. He was very good in archery. So, this award is given for the performance that they have given in sports and games. So, that award is given, and it is known as Arjuna Award, and the award looks like this. The next award is Dronacharya Award, and this Dronacharya Award is awarded to an outstanding coach. Now you can see in the award that photo that is there behind is the coach, that is Dronacharya, and Dronacharya is teaching his disciple. So we know in our history also Dronacharya was a marvelous coach who had trained the Pandavas and all. So so this award is given to a coach who either must have trained any person or any athletic as individual, or he must have trained them as a team. So that is Dronacharya Award. Indira Gandhi Peace Prize. Now, this Indira Gandhi Peace Prize is given to these two institutes that is there, that is Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, and the United Nations of High Commissioner for Refugees. They received this Indira Gandhi Peace Prize in 2014 they had received, and in 2015. Okay. The next one is Nehru Literacy Award. This Nehru Literacy Award is being instituted by the Indian Education Association for the contribution to promote adult literacy. So people those who are they are not able to reach out to schools and all. So these association they help out in bringing schools in educating this adult, sending giving them admission in colleges, giving them transportation facilities and all those, so that they can be literate. So this association has been given Nehru Literacy Award. So thank you so much. Hope you have understood this, and have a good day.